ever had that one product you turn to when you want your lashes to look fuller, darker, and last all day? That's exactly what Estee Lauder's Little Black Primer promises. 3-in-1 magic in a sleek little tube. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, the product is designed as a versatile eyelash primer with 3 main functions: tinting, amplifying, and setting. The claim here is simple yet impressive. This little gem is meant to add a subtle tint to your lashes, volumize them for a fuller look, and set your mascara in place all day without smudging. If you're someone who's always looking for products that can multitask, this is something to consider. Now let's talk about the formula. The gel-based texture is smooth and lightweight, making it easy to apply without any clumps. It's buildable, so if you like your lashes more voluminous, you can layer it on until you're happy with the results. What's especially nice about this primer is that it works across all skin types, which is pretty essential for a product you use so close to the eye area. When it comes to wearability, I had the chance to test it both as a primer under mascara and on its own as a tint. When used as a primer, it delivers on its promise to lift and add volume. My lashes looked noticeably fuller, and the formula didn't weigh them down. Plus, it provided a good base for mascara, allowing it to stay in place without smudging throughout the day. As a tint, it gave a natural but enhanced look. Great for those no makeup days when you just want your lashes to stand out a bit more. But here's where it gets interesting: the setting power. It definitely helps lock in mascara, especially in those humid conditions or long days when you need a little extra insurance against smudges. Now, every product has its pros and cons, so let's look at both. The texture is one of its strong points. It's smooth, easy to apply, and doesn't clump. Plus, the buildable formula lets you customize how much volume you want. The versatility is impressive. However, the small size, 0.2 ounce, might feel a bit limiting, especially for daily users, and the price could be a factor for those on a budget. It's a high-end product, and while it delivers, there are other primers out there that provide similar results at a lower price point. As for value, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, you're paying for a premium brand with a product that lives up to its claims of being long-lasting and versatile. But on the other hand, it's a smaller quantity, which means it might not last as long as some other primers out there. If you're all about high-end beauty products and you don't mind splurging, it's worth it. But if you're looking for something that delivers similar results at a lower price, there are alternatives like L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Primer or Maybelline's Lash Sensational Boosting Primer that do the job just as well for a fraction of the cost. Build quality is top-notch as expected from Estee Lauder. The packaging is sleek and easy to use, and the brush is designed for precision, ensuring you coat every lash evenly. It's definitely a product that feels luxe, and the application process is smooth and seamless. The brand's customer service reputation is stellar. Estee Lauder is known for responsive customer care, so if you have any issues with your product, chances are they'll sort it out quickly. However, in my case, there was no need to contact them directly, since the product performed well from start to finish. Ultimately, Estee Lauder's Little Black Primer does exactly what it claims: tints, amplifies, and sets lashes beautifully. If you're looking for a multi-purpose primer that will make your lashes stand out and stay put, this is a great pick. However, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to look into more affordable options that offer similar benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.